Hello friends, hope you liked the last video where we created some sort of quiz application in a console. This video is more interesting. This is probably like one of the most important topics in a Java. You have to learn loops, right? And why it's so important, I'm letting you know. So there are three types of loop. One is for loop, second is while, and third is do while loop. We will going to see one by one. First we start with a for loop and why it's important. So I'm going to create a class and I would say for loop, since I needed public void main, and it's going to create our class. So bear with me. Okay, so now we do have a class and we're going to create one method and void my loop. Okay, so this is the name of my method and I need. Okay, so let's say if I want to print 1 to 100 number, how I'm going to do it, right? So system dot out dot println, and I will provide like 1 and 2 and 3, and I'm going to copy paste same thing, right? But we have another way, right? And it's a shorter way. How are we going to do it? So we can use our for loop for this one. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. So int I is equal to 1, and I'm going to explain what that means. Okay, so don't worry, and let's say equal to 100 and I plus plus, and I would say system dot out dot println, and I'm going to print I over here. Okay. So as you can see, I'm using a for loop. So I'm declaring my variable over here. This is my starting point. I'm going to my loop going to start from number 1. It will run until it's reached to 100, right? And this is increment. This is other way. If I have to write, I would probably write I is equal to I plus 1, right? But this is a shorter way to write, and I'm going to print I. So what step going to perform? The first, I is equal to 1, so that's the step number 1. Step number 2, that's going to check whether I is less than or equal to 100. So it will check 1 is less than 100. Yes, it is less than 100, right? So then it's going to print, then it's increment. So now I becomes 2. Once again is check whether 2 is less than 100. Yes, it's going to print, and once again it's going to increment by 1. Now is 3. That loop will basically looping until it's reached to the 100. When it says I is equal to, so 100 is equal to 100, yes, as soon as it's reached to 101, the loop will break, and that's not going to print after that. So we will see in our basically we have to create object for this. So for loop f equal to for loop f dot, and this is my method name is my loop. Oh, I forget the new. Okay, and now we're going to run. And you will see somewhere, yeah. So here, so it started with a 1 and it's ended with 100. So you don't have to write like 100 times system.out.println or something like that, and that's another way. And there are different loops also. This is very important topic, guys, so please pay attention to this. Do some more practice on that one. And if you want to do some more practice, I already created some sort of mini projects on a loop, so please check out in that video. So if you go to my channel and if you find my playlist, you will find over there, or I will also basically give a link in this description. So do some more practice on this one. This is very important topic and it's very cool, and you can do like a lot of things with that loop. So hope you like my video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we will see you in next video where we're doing the same thing with the while loop. Till bye.